working with a WinDev application project and seeing WDO files in the directory. These are component reference files used by the WinDev development environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to open and work with these WinDev component list files. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your WDO, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. WDO files are component list files created by WinDev, an integrated development environment from PCSoft used to build Windows business applications. They store references to external components used in a WinDev project, enabling modular code reuse across applications and proper component dependency management during compilation. WDO files use a WinDev-specific format, storing component metadata, including component names, version numbers, file paths, public interfaces, and dependency relationships. The format is tightly integrated with the WinDev project structure and works alongside WDP project files and WDR repository files in the WinDev development workflow. Most installations default to associating WinDev from PCSoft with WDO. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows shows the text content, yet running them requires proper tools and caution. We are initiating the software cross-check. Right-click your WDO file and choose Open With. Test with WinDev first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often non-obvious. If the WDO file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Since the WDO file requires specific software, we must confirm the setup. Let's quickly review these key details on our preparedness checklist. First, opening in WinDev IDE. Install WinDev from PCSoft and open the parent project containing the WDO file. The IDE automatically loads component references from the WDO file, displaying available components in the Project Explorer. Double-click components to view their interfaces and integrate them into your application code. Next, viewing component details. Within WinDev, use the project menu, then components, to view detailed information about each component listed in the WDO file. The interface shows component descriptions, exposed procedures, and required dependencies. This view helps developers understand which components are integrated and manage version compatibility across project builds. Finally, editing as text file. Open the WDO file in a text editor like Notepad++ to inspect the raw component references. While direct editing is not recommended, viewing the file content can help diagnose missing components or path issues. Always make changes through the WinDev IDE to maintain proper project integrity and avoid corruption. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.